OPPO is making another run at a smartwatch with its Watch X. OPPO has now officially announced the OPPO Watch X will launch next week on February 29th at the Malaysia. We have already familiar with that design. It's the rebrand version of OnePlus Watch 2. The watch will have a stainless steel chassis and a sapphire crystal watch face. It'll be available in two colors, dubbed Black Steel and Radiant Steel. The new watch will have up to 100 hours of battery life. These renders also reveal an elevated surface on the right-hand side, housing the two hardware buttons. The back shows off what appears to be a pin charging system and large health sensor. OPPO Watch X is bringing a 1.43-inch AMOLED display, using a sapphire crystal to protect the circular display. The watch, using the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 processor, with 1GB RAM and 4GB storage, making the second watch a rather more powerful wearable. The OPPO Watch X will run Wear OS 4 out of the box. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.